Hi, this is Swaminaidu Chalaprede. Due to some busy, I did not posted videos. Here it is the uh, tab tables, right? Tables, it is the fact, dimension, text, hierarchy, not yet discussed on these videos. Graphical view is discussed. SQL view discussed. SQL view and table functions are not yet discussed. Okay. Entity relation ER model, it is not yet discussed, and analytical model discussed, replication flow is discussed, data flow is discussed. Transformation flow is combined with two graphical view and SQL view concept. It is a transformation flow. Associations for this, it is right. It is the tables, right? Associations, right? Test association, dimension association, hierarchy dictionary association. These things need to discuss. Tasks are not yet discussed, and intelligent lookup is not yet discussed. Okay. Coming to the video, today we will discuss about the table functions and SQL. Uh, Repeat again SQL view and table functions we will discuss today. Okay, sorry. Here see, I I went to the repository explorer. Same thing available in a data builder also. Data builder also same thing available. SQL view. Here you click the same thing, and here it is the repository means it is the all objects are available. Data builder means it is the development objects are available. Data builder, data builder. Already discussed on this. Okay. Now I am going to repository. Otherwise, it is the new SQL view. Repository is the combined with the business builder and data builder. Developer activities, everything is possible here. See, drill down in business builder, data builder, all objects are available here. Click on SQL view, click on your space. Spaces related, it is the, we'll discuss later. Lot of things are there. It is the layer architecture, it is the data sphere, it is the best approach, it is the layer architecture. Already some of the knowledge already is given. Okay. Layer, what is the layer architecture? How can need to follow that? It is the, I will give them that information. Performance related and enhancement related, everything I will give the information. Okay. Here it is the sim. Here it is the two approaches, language, right? It is the, suppose this is the GSQL underscore view. Okay, I am giving here two type of languages we are using here. SQL language. What is the language? Standard query and SQL standard query and SQL script table functions also. Higher level it is coding and everything. Here table function who have CDSU knowledge easy to identify, and there also CDSU also ABAP CDSUs. There also it is these functions are available. ABAP dictionary is the different, table function is the different. Table function is the reusable concept. When it is reusable concept is required, it is table functions are need to use. Functions here and here it is the work, but some of the functions are the different. Okay. Now it is the only SQL view standard query I'm selecting. Okay. Suppose In case I will open one of the, okay, uh, here it is the select statement. Select star from or any table, union, all joins, anything. What is the SQL? It is the available the functions. It is okay. I am selecting sales document item table. I have selected. Here it is information is there. All objects are there. What is the difference between table functions and SQL standard query? SQL script and SQL standard query. I am not taking all those fields. Creation date is required. Material is required. Any fields, it is what is the fields is required. Requirement fields are material and product. Right here, product also there. Material and product both are the same. Here it is some of the sales organizations. Okay, I will do one thing. SQL standard query and scripted is the SQL select statement. SQL standard query is select statement. Script is the return statement. That is a different. Some of the features are also it is the variants are also there. Can you please chart GPT and AI? Please check on that. This is the return statement. This is also return statement. Okay. This is the return statement, right? I will change it to the select statement. Not complicated this one. Any complicated things are here. This is other not complicated. Okay. I will copy this return statement. This is the table function. See SQL script this one. This one it is the SQL standard query. Okay. I copy and paste it here. Hmm. Okay. This one is not required. Validate it. One more query also I will give here. Okay. This is a very good example. Already this one it is already discussed. This is the only select query. Input parameter it is not defined. Somewhere it is input parameter is here. One second. Here it is input parameter, right? It's a discount calculation or something. Control X. I am deleting this. Okay, SQL is valid. Here saying SQL is valid, right? What I have written here, it is select statement, the sales document number, sales document item, and material, and after that it is some cost function. Actually, it is here it is performance related. Better to reduce here. Here it is functions, Windows functions, some cost functions, any functions, whatever may be. Better to use in backend level, either HANA level or either CDS level, performance based. Okay. In case it is here, it is performance based. In case it is the importing any data, creating a local table concept, it is performance is good. Virtual, when we are using virtual, based on the virtual, it is the won't to use any calculations as data spare. It is the better to use in case HANA database, you can use in HANA database side. You can use in CDS views. You can S4 HANA, it is source. You can use these functions if any calculations, it is the S4 side. You can downloading from the data from BW for HANA, you can use in BW for BW side. Okay. Large volume of data when is there, it is the reduce the pressure for data spare. When we are virtualing, you can import, and when we are importing the data, it is the cost based. Cloud is the cost based. Means it is, suppose you are importing the data, it is a large value of data. Cloud, it is the GB based data, MB based, whatever may be. Everything is based on the data, they will cost. How much is storage? Here, example I am saying, when this type of calculations is required, better to do in backend side, not in data spare side. Okay. Performance related, these later we'll discuss on this. This one it is valid. Same query already. This one it is we'll discussed already. This one it is select query. What we have selected here, two type of views we have. SQL, actually views means it is graphical view, SQL view. Graphical view means it is no coding, no coding. Actually it is the data sphere and SSC, no and low coding concepts. No and low coding concepts. Here it is examples I am saying. Actually these things also possible to do graphical view also. Won't accept in the graphical view also. Better to do these calculations and any cost and some expressions, whatever may be, better to do in backend side, performance wise. These cost and some expressions and Windows expressions will reduce the performance. Okay. Example, I am saying this is the possibilities we have. Performance wise, it is check it in subject, chart GPT, AI, whatever may be, and Google, something. Based on this, it is discussion is right. It is I know, but it is the discussion, it is the increase the time. That is the reason I am stopping on this. Okay. Same SQL query. This is the what is the two type of SQL views. Views concept is the two type of views we have, graphical view and SQL view. SQL view again it is the two types, standard query and table function. Table function, some of the functions it is the, in CDS view level rank nodes or some of the nodes are there. But here it is rank nodes or some of the nodes in work. Some of the features it is the is it different. Can you please check it in ChatGPT other approaches? Okay. Here it is the this is the select statement. This is the return statement. Same like ABAP also syntax is changed now. Select and return like same concept also here. Lot of things are changed. Need to update on this. Okay. This is the same concept. This is the valid query. Something here it is hidden, right? Everything is clear. This is the restricted calculated column. This is the decimal displaying purpose. This is the cost statement. It is where it is the delivery status is the A. It is the we are giving the names A for one name that one. Here it is the multiplication are giving everything right. In case it is where condition is required, you can write it where condition, and condition, like condition. What is required after this where anything is required, it is where condition. Last time already discussed. Same thing is the table function is this is the select statement. It is the standard query. Okay. Same thing we required. It is the table function. Okay. Go there. Discard it. Shared bank partner. Okay. Something is given there. It is something. Return statement now. Okay. Select SQL view. Our space. Select star from. Oh, sorry. Table function, right? See, when we are given this table function, return statement, return the data into that table. Okay. Same, copy this. This one, it is the star. Table is need to select this one. All fields are selected from that CDSU. Valid. Okay. I want these all those fields are not required for me. Any major fields are required. Where it is? Okay. Order quantity here. Order quantity. All those fields I will delete it. Valid. What is saying there? Table for one of the it is the creation time. Okay. Not required this. Okay. Uh, Here it is what happening here. All the fields are displayed here. How many fields? 161. Do one thing. Select, delete. Again it is the valid. Again material is okay. Material was expected but found material. Copy this. Actually small. Actually won't come like this. I will do one thing. Select one of the select statement. This is the issue with the table function. Return. Copy this. See this one. Same thing. But issue are there. It is actually there is no issue. Table box it is giving that issue. This is the valid, right? Actually, what is the required output fields here? Okay, I will add one more field here. Processing delivery status. Input control. Okay, I don't have that much of time. Okay, okay. Net case statement. Okay, this one I will add it. This syntax I will add it. Comma. Output fold here it is what is the error? It is identified the expected. Expected means here it is one of the field are added here, but need did not added in output field. Target return statement, right? That particular this field is need to write in return statement. Here added. Save it. Why this error is? Sometimes it is the capitals are required here. Hmm. Problem is here. Invalid. Okay, that's it. Okay. Go back. This one it is modify last column modify like capitals. Okay, sorry. Some extra columns are added here. That is okay. I will do it on one thing. Go to change, select all, delete. Valid, invalid. Okay, that's good. Huh? Here it is what it is saying. I think this one it is the error. Network quantity sub amount condition unit subtotal కదా? Yes, okay, got it. Here need to add one field. Something is issue here. Okay, close. Check it now. Invalid. What it is saying here? Invalid. Capital letters is need to give. Sometimes it will come like this. Now I think satisfied. Valid. Table functions are giving you like this, but it is the usage is the very low. Before we discussed in the same in this video, table function, sorry, SQL query and table functions. Some of the features are different. There is a select statement. Here it is the return statement. That's it. Now this one it is valid, validate, give the name without deploy select statement without deploy we can possible to see data, but return statement it is not possible to see data without deploy because the reason it is the return the data into the target. Same case statements and multiplications. So what is the SQL functions? It is the table functions is the upgrade. Self statement is the below that language. Higher level logic is table functions. Only simple SQL query it is the SQL query. That is the differences here. Okay, display the data now. Now it is deployed. This one SQL is valid. Here data is the display. Data is a display. When we are giving the output, 20 fields are possible to check the data. When you are, when we are uploading the data, it is the 5 million cells are the possible to upload. 5 million cells, not 5 million rows. Okay. This is the table functions. You can same functions you can use. SQL simple query is the select statement. Table function is the return statement. That is a variant. Some of the functions are the procedures, input controls, it is the flexibility error. Higher level logic we can use here, but it is the very low time. But one of the option is this one is available. Thanks to